Thanks so much for staying with us for the weather report and forecast. Now, we do have a trough system across the Western Caribbean that is expected to influence weather conditions across the Jamaica area starting on Monday. We do have a wetter pattern that is expected to emerge across Jamaica and also the Central Caribbean, where we do have shower activity persisting for most of the day. Now, across the eastern and central portions of the basin, we still have those open clouds across the open waters of the basin, still helping to generate some isolated showers and a few thunderstorms across sections of Hispaniola. We're expecting stable conditions over the next couple of days, however. Now, the forecast for tonight: fair skies across most of the island. Temperatures dropping to 24 degrees Celsius in Kingston. We expect temperature in Montego Bay to drop to 23 degrees Celsius. Now, in our forecast for tomorrow morning, there are showers expected to affect sections of the northeast. And then for the afternoon, look for isolated afternoon showers as well, mainly across sections of southwestern parishes and inland areas. Temperatures are getting to 31 degrees Celsius in Kingston and in Montego Bay. Partly cloudy skies are expected across most of the southeast in the afternoon tomorrow. Expect some showers, however, if you're in Maypen or in Mandeville. Showers, well, that's it for the weather report and forecast for this evening. We thank you so much for watching.